What's up, LinkedIn? Mike McCormick here, founder of Aeolian and creator of ARTAK. We're here in the Aeolian Lab. Today we're going to talk about the ARTAK Story. I'm going to show you the ARTAK Mark 1 kit. And I'm going to share a couple exciting updates that happened over the last few weeks. So the ARTAK Story goes back to 2016 when my team and I came up with a concept for a 3D mapping and mission planning tool that used AR and VR to enhance situational awareness. Fast forward about 3 years, we brought that concept to the Tactical Assault Light Operator Suit program under US SOCOM, at the time led by Colonel Miller and Brian Sisko. During that event, a small group of operators from Special Forces, MARSOC, US Navy, and a number of other components helped us understand that this was a technology that was desperately needed. Throughout the process, we were constantly seeking government funding to supplement our investment. And in 2020, we officially kicked off work under an other transaction agreement to develop a technical readiness level 6 prototype of ARTAK. That work was completed in April of 2021. At that point, Aeolian continued to invest even more internal research and development funds to advance that prototype to a technical readiness level of 9, which of course requires that the technology be validated in country for an actual mission. And now we're here today. What we have in front of us here is the ARTAK Mark 1 starter kit. This kit contains everything a team needs to create a 3D map and visualize it at the tactical edge. It's built for 9 users. The kit contains 4 augmented reality head-mounted displays, built for visualizing that area of operations in a God's eye view in the form of a hologram. The kit also contains 4 S20 Tactical Edition smartphones. These smartphones are running both ATAK and ARTAK. Also in the kit is a virtual reality head-mounted display, the Oculus Quest 2. This headset allows an operator to chalk walk a target at a 1-to-1 scale, as if they were actually on target. In order to create the maps, we have to collect data on the target. ARTAK deploys with a commercial off-the-shelf drone for the team to collect imagery that's used to generate a 3D map with the process referred to as photogrammetry. The imagery collected from that drone is processed by this powerful edge server built by Packstar, the 453. This has a GPU, NVIDIA T1000 GPU in it, and enough horsepower to do everything that we need at the edge. And finally, the Packstar 464 Wi-Fi node that allows us to stand up a firewall and secure Wi-Fi network for all the client devices to connect and share an experience with. And finally, of course, we have all the batteries required to support the system, including those with the devices and spares to run them. And there you have it, your ARTAK Mark 1 kit. If you're interested in demonstrating ARTAK or getting an informational brief, feel free to contact me or Pedro Ramos. For those of you attending SOCOM's Technical Experimentation 22-3 in North Carolina from June 5th to 10th, ARTAK will be there. Look forward to seeing you all. Have a good one.